Hey everybody.
Good morning.
How's everyone doing? Noah, say hi. He has
loves Pokemon.
his Pokemon Eevee. So this morning Noah had a 2-hour delay from school. The roads are a bit icy. And we are expecting a lot of snow here on the East Coast.
Yeah, they're already talking about possibly canceling school tomorrow too.
Crazy.
It's supposed to snow all morning tomorrow actually.
Yeah, so I guess no school tomorrow and maybe the next day after that, bud.
That would be a long weekend.
So today we have a couple things to do after we drop Noah off at school. So we'll keep you guys posted and we'll bring you guys along. All right, say bye. Hey Noah, ready for school? Yeah. Yeah, you're excited, huh? Yeah. I know. It's gonna be a short day though, but it's okay.
You're gonna be good in class today?
Make the most of it, bud.
You ready?
You can talk, bud. You can say hi.
Are you ready?
He's starstruck.
I know. You like looking at yourself in the camera?
Yeah.
Well, have fun at school. I love you, okay?
Let's go.
Bye, big guy. I'll see you later, alligator.
We go have them today.
Starbucks. Here you go, lady. How you doing?
Good.
Can I have a venti white chocolate mocha iced? Yeah. No, thank you. You want one too?
Yes.
A small?
I'll take a small one,
A small one for two, please. Yeah. Change it. Venti ice white chocolate mocha. With a lemon cake. Cheers.
It's so nice out, I can't believe it. It's almost 50 degrees and tomorrow we're gonna get a crazy snowstorm. That's ridiculous. Done with my Starbucks.
Hey guys, right now we're at Bob's. So, I have a funny story for you guys. I told my wife, I was like, hey hun, hold on. I said, let's go to Bob's. And she said, isn't that a furniture store?
Listen, it was a valid question.
There is two Bob's. There's a furniture store and there's a sporting goods, whatever, clothing and sneakers. But yeah, so
rude.
come along with us, guys. Come on.
Hopefully,
I know.
wow, I can't believe this weather. I can't believe I was
It's so nice out.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow, I got tricked.
That was weird.
I don't know. They have a lot of cool stuff. I need some basketball shorts for the gym. Oh, guys. Let's see what they got. Nothing. So we found nothing in Bob's. Everything in there is overpriced. Now we're gonna head to Stop and Shop to get a few things before the storm. So we're gonna go there, and then I was thinking about watching a movie with Jenny, but I don't think we have enough time because we have to get Noah soon from school. So, but if we do, we'll keep you guys posted. What should we get for the storm?
Popcorn chicken.
Do we need more? No. So Noah loves Propel, but he likes this one the best. But there's no pack, so he's gonna be upset.
And I love the vitamin water. I like this one. And this one's my favorite one.
Yep.
Tropical citrus. Yeah. Oh wait, did you? Do you have the chopped up one? Which one? Just the regular. Yeah, that one.
Woo, just love Subway. Eat fresh, guys. We got a nice little grinder and a salad. Well, I can't even talk.
Yeah, I got a salad.
Because the sun's in my eyes. Alright, guys. This is what I got at Subway. Italian herb and cheese bread with turkey and cheese and mayonnaise. Yeah. And then Jenny got...
This is what I got. Let me open it here. I got a salad, mainly spinach, a little bit of lettuce, cucumber, tomato, and cheese on top with some Caesar dressing. Really good.
It's time to eat fresh. Hi.
I'm going to the house.
Yeah.
You want to go to Nana's house?
Yeah, because Evie missed Nana and Baba.
Evie misses Nana
And Baba.
and Papa. Say hi.
And I forgot my door.
How was school?
Hi, good.
School was good?
Yep.
What'd you do at school?
And my hair was getting sprayed on my hair was getting sprayed.
Oh, your head was getting sweaty?
Oh my god.
From playing outside?
Yeah.
Wow.
Outside.
You definitely
Inside.
needed that.
I love you.
Me too.
So today we have fried chicken cutlets and also some bow tie pasta with Alfredo sauce. Steaming up the camera.